So today I didn't take any trades. I had a decent opportunity, but decided not to take it because it wasn't in my plan. So going into today, there was a that was pretty muted day, kind of choppy day on Friday. So the value area was a inside relationship, so that could have meant that it might be a breakout type of day today. So I kept that in mind. But this one, the CPR was a little bit narrower and a lower relationship. Also, it was overlapping lower on the cams, so mainly bearish. But also never broke below S1 in this slight downtrend here. So it seems like it was just a little pullback in a bullish trend, is what I was thinking. But the pivot relationships were mostly bearish, and the open was a little weird because I kept flirting with this value area low level at 69.46 and 69.44 L3. So it was kind of bouncing around here before eventually opening up below L3 and value area low. But right after it opened, it just rallied like crazy. And so it pretty much invalidated what I was thinking, which was value area low short here. So I wanted it to sell off, kind of test this value area low in L3 level, and then I could take a short back into S1 or L4 over here, but that pretty much got invalidated right away. And so, if you look here, as soon as it opens up, rallies into 69.57, which is the CPR area. So I thought about shorting at CPR also, because it did open under CPR and the pivots were bearish, but I didn't see any confirmations to short there. So I let that one go, and I just kept rallying all morning. I did see an opportunity here for longs actually, because there were a lot of sellers that were coming in. 1 minute delta divergence here, another delta divergence there, and then big lots of sellers breaking the lows. Price is nowhere near the lows, so huge CVD hidden divergence there. And then I kept seeing it trying to come down with big sellers here. Another CVD hidden divergence, 1 minute delta divergence there. And I'm seeing this 2 minute delta divergence form also. There's one here, but this one is forming a delta divergence there too. So the 20R, 20 range chart also ended up making a delta divergence here with a nice hammer. So I want to get in right there. So around 68 is probably where I would have gone in, because I did like this, but I didn't enter because it wasn't at any real level. Confirmations were great. If there was a level here, then I would have taken it, but it wasn't really. I mean, it opened under. If it opened inside at value, then maybe I could have taken a continuation of a value area low bounce here, but the key thing was that it opened under. I mean, slightly under, but still, I don't know. I was a little confused by that, but I could have taken it. It would have worked out, but and confirmations looked really good, but did not take that. So ended up working out all the way to R1, but yeah, my short plans over here did not materialize, so no trades.